Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create an avatar on Facebook and make it your profile picture if you want to do that. Alright, so you can create an avatar both on your Facebook page and on your Facebook account, and the process of creating and making the avatar is the same. I'm gonna demonstrate it via a Facebook page. So if you open up the Facebook page or your Facebook profile, first you have to click on your existing Facebook profile picture, and then you're gonna see three options. And as you can see here, you can create an avatar profile picture. Click on it. First, Facebook will recommend some avatars that you can select and then customize them, or you can also create one from scratch. Let's do that. Click on continue. And as you can see here, in this case, you can specify any attribute of this avatar, its skin tone, the avatar hair, face, eyes, eyebrows, eyewear, nose, mouth, facial hair, body, outfit, accessories and ears. So as you can see, you have the skin tone, the eye shape, eye color, and a lot of stuff. You can play around with this. Then click on done editing. Once you're done, click on done. You can also select the pose and the background of your avatar. Then all you have to do is click on use as profile picture. And now as you can see, the avatar for the Facebook page has been created. And now it's also set as our profile picture for this Facebook page.